Hey guys, how's it going? Wanted to come back to you today with a new toy that I got. As you noticed from the last video, we upgraded our home security system with some home automation, and wanted to share with you what else I got to add to that. I've been doing some research on these specific item, and it seemed like the best deal out there. So without further ado, we have the Arlo Pro 5 camera Netgear system. Now this one is a Netgear certified refurbished, so I did get it on Amazon for a pretty reasonable rate. I saw Best Buy had a 4 camera system brand new. It was $800, and this was half the price for a 5 camera system. So today we're just going to do a quick unboxing, kind of show you what's in the box, and once I get it set up, I'll do another video to see how it is set up and review the picture and all that. But the features of this one is it is 100% wireless. It is weather resistant, HD quality. I believe it's 720p. The Arlo Pro 2, the newest ones, those are 1080. It is rechargeable, so it does have rechargeable batteries, where the Arlo Pro, or the Arlo cameras rather, the very first models that came out, you had to change out the batteries. They were not rechargeable. So this also gives you free 7-day cloud storage, so you can go ahead and look back at the last 7 days of recordings. And the Pros also come with 2-way audio. So like I said, I've been doing some research on this, and these cameras look pretty decent from other stuff I've seen out there on YouTube. So I thought I'd give it a try, and we'll see how it works. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. And as you can see, it did come from Netgear, so it's not refurbished from some third-party people who don't know what it is. And you know, it says Netgear on it all over the place. So it is a refurbished Netgear item on Amazon. It does come with a warranty, so that was a peace of mind, and it also gave me the option to buy an extended warranty through Square Trade. So let's get this open here. So here we go. Looks like we got a decal for your window with the 90-day product warranty from Netgear, refurbished product limited warranty. It does have Netgear stuff all over it. So that's pretty cool. Looks like we got a base station. And I believe this one, yes, it does have a 110 decibel siren. You have 2 USB ports that probably are just for maybe charging the batteries. You have your Ethernet cable, your on-off switch, and a power outlet. And once again, there's the Netgear sticker. Looks like we got some hardware. So that's pretty cool. They give you all the hardware. And this one did come with one outdoor security mount. I did not know that. I actually purchased, along with this, 3 of them on Amazon for like $8, but this one actually comes with one, so that would have been nice to know. That's cool though. I'm glad they did. Looks like we get a Cat5 Ethernet cable that would plug into your router in the box, and the USB charger for the cameras. They got 5 cameras, but it looks like they only give you 1 charger. That's the power for the base station, and one USB charging hub. And you have the magnets. Looks like you just need 1 screw, put it on the wall, put the magnet. Let's go ahead and take this out. Alright, I've gone ahead and removed one of the cameras from the wrapping, and it looks like we have a screw hole here for the outdoor mount. Screw in there, so it's a little safer. But the way and you have your USB port for charging the batteries, and it looks like the battery goes right in here. And here is one of the rechargeable batteries. And these batteries, from what I understand, are supposed to last anywhere between 4 and 6 months, depending on use. So I guess we'll have to see. It looks like it just slides right in there. Close it up, and there you go. But the regular mount is magnetic. So you would set this on your wall, and you can position it. The magnet's pretty strong. I can't get it off with one arm. There we go. So the magnet's really strong, but you can move it around, position it. You have the IR camera right there. Yeah, that's a pretty strong magnet. So you can move it around, different angles on your wall. I believe I saw online, if you mount it upside down, you can flip it, the video feed, to be right side up. So we have 5 of these magnets. Here's our other 4 cameras. So that's the unboxing of the Arlo Pro 5 camera system, refurbished through Amazon.com, and it was shipped and sold by Amazon through Netgear. So I'll put a link to the description and to the Amazon site where I got this from if you're interested in looking at it. From what I've seen online, these are one of the best cameras out there for, you know, home security, indoor, outdoor. 100% completely wireless, so I mean that's a plus right there. You don't have to worry about running wires, you know, just like the Nest. And if you're looking at this, it also has a sync button, I guess, to sync it to the base station. I did a little bit more research. There's not a lot of difference in the Pro and the Pro 2. I think you get a couple more functions as far as your radius of, or not your radius, but your depth of field. You can play around with it a little bit more. So once I figure out where I want to put these and get them all set up, I will do a video on how to hook it up, how to go through the app, and all that good stuff. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit like for more videos coming up. And once again, thanks a lot.